Good morning, students. Today we'll continue with the chapter that is natural vegetation and wildlife. In our previous video yesterday, we discussed about what is the meaning of natural vegetation and how flora and fauna affect the natural vegetation and wildlife. We have also discussed in our previous video that what are the major factors that affect the natural vegetation of any particular place. So, hopefully, you have remembered those factors also. Those factors are land, soil, climate, temperature, rainfall, etc. Hope you remember all the factors we have discussed yesterday in our previous video. And today we'll continue with the chapter and discuss some new um, factors of natural vegetation and wildlife. So, in natural vegetation, now we discussed in this chapter about how many types of vegetation grow in our country. So, the basic classification of vegetation in our country is tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorny forest and shrubs, mountain forest, and mangrove forest. So, we have generally five types of natural vegetation that we found in India. This is the general classification of natural vegetation that we found in India. So, first of all, we discussed about the tropical evergreen forest. These forests are restricted to heavy rainfall areas of Western Ghats and in the islands of Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar, upper parts of Assam and Tamil Nadu. We have trees, shrubs in this evergreen forest, and there is no definite time for trees to shed their leaves. As such, these forests appear green all over the year. So, this is the basic qualities of this tropical evergreen forest. The common animals that we found in these forests are elephant, monkey, deer, rhinoceros, and some birds like bats, sloth, scorpions, snails. These are also found in these jungles. Next, tropical deciduous forest. These are most widespread forest of India. They are also called the monsoon forest. And on the basis of availability of water, these forests are further divided into moist and dry deciduous forest. So, availability of water is depend on moist and dry deciduous forest. So we have these type of forest in our country in northeastern states along the foothills of Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Odisha, Chhattisgarh and on the eastern slope of Western Ghats. Teak is the most dominant tree of this forest. Bamboo, sal, shisham, sandalwood, khair, arjun, mulberry, kusum are other commercial important type of trees that we found in these type of forest. In these forests, the common animals that we found are lion, tiger, pig, deer, elephant, a huge variety of birds, lizards, snakes, tortoise, etc. Now, the third type of forest that we found in India are thorny forest. In regions with less than 70 centimeter of rainfall, the natural vegetation consists of thorny trees and bushes. This type of vegetation is found in northwest part of country, including semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, etc. In these forests, the common animals are rat, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild ass, horses, and camel. Camels. These are the generally animals that we found in this forest. Now, number 4, mountain forest. In mountain areas, the decreases in temperature with increasing altitude leads to corresponding change in natural vegetation. जैसे जैसे हमारी हाइट बढ़ती है वैसे वैसे हमारा टेम्परेचर डाउन हो जाता है. तो इस हाइट बढ़ने और टेम्परेचर डाउन होने की प्रोसेसिंग में जो हमारी नेचुरल वेजिटेशन है वो अपने आप में बिल्कुल अलग तरह की वेजिटेशन पाई जाती है और इस तरह के जो हमारे हाइट पे हाई एल्टीट्यूड्स पे जनरली जो हमें ट्रीज़ देखने को मिलते हैं वो हैं हमारे एल्पाइन, सिल्वर फर, पाइन, birches are common trees of this forest. So these are the common trees that we found in mountain forest areas. इसके अलावा the common animals that we found in these forests are Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jack, rabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrels, etc. Now, next forest is mangrove forest. The mangrove tidal forests are found in areas of coasts that influenced by tides. कोस्टल एरियाज में पाए जाते हैं जहाँ पे जो टाइड्स हैं वो लगातार आती रहती हैं, हाई टाइड्स एंड लो टाइड्स. Mud and silt get accumulated on such coast. Dense mangrove are the common varieties with roots of plant submerged under water. The delta of Ganga, the Mahanadi, the Krishna, the Godavari and Kaveri are covered by such natural vegetation. In the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, Sundari trees are found which provided hard timber, palm, coconut, etc. are also grown in the same part of the delta. Royal Bengal tiger is the famous animal in these forests. Turtle, crocodiles, gharials and snakes are also found in these forests. So This is the general classification of forest that we found in India. Thank you so much.